Hello everyone and welcome to my 2025 trip announcement. So, remember my summer trip last year where I went to Six Flags America and King's Dominion? Yeah, I'm doing that again this year. Now before you ask when I'm going to Cedar Point, newsflash, I'm not. I'll do it next summer. We tried to fit it in, but it just didn't work with our schedule. Anyway, let's go over the trip plan. So the first day will be at King's Dominion next Saturday, which unfortunately, due to my family having something going on that morning, we will not be able to arrive at Rope Drop, which is probably okay because from my last summer visit, Project 305 was a station wait all day. Plus, the only ride I really want to do is Pantherian because 1. Timbers and Grizzly, while they are great rides, can wait until my September visit. 2. Flight of Fear, my current second favorite at the park behind Pantherian, has an exact clone at Six Flags America, Joker's Jinx, which I'm going to marathon the crap out of. And 3, I haven't ridden it in 11 months. Yes, it's been that long, and I just need to get back on my number one coaster. If I could have literally one ride on this thing, I would be happy. Since we're arriving around 2-ish, we'll probably leave around 6, and that'll be our day at King's Dominion. Sunday is our main Six Flags America day. We will most likely have all day at the park, so I will be able to get the last 3 credits I need. Roar, Firebird, and Batwing. Wait, it's closed? Well, at least I can still do Superman. Oh, come on! Well, I guess I'll be marathoning Joker's Jinx and getting my last rides on America's oldest operating roller coaster, Wild One, before it gets brutally destroyed at the end of the year along with this entire park. Thanks, Zimmerman. Oh wait, he's gone now. Oh well, I still blame him anyway. This will be my second and final visit to Six Flags America, and I hope to make the most of it. I'm glad I have most of the credits, so I won't have to deal with riding the kiddie and family coasters, and I'm glad I get the chance to come here one last time before it gets knocked to the ground. Also, this will be my last video before the YouTube AI age verification thing kicks in on the 13th, and we'll just see what happens with that. I don't think much will change, but we'll just have to wait and see. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. I just wanted to announce my upcoming trip so you guys would know what to expect for content in the future. I'm extremely excited that I finally get the chance to ride Pantherian again, and I will keep you posted when I do. Thank you all for watching. Leave a like, share the video, and comment your thoughts about this upcoming trip. I will see you next time.